Danao, naging chief kayo. Do you mind or don't you mind having been called as the head of the Davao Death Squad by the former president?
I think he's just joking, sir.
Okay.
Pero kagaya nga po ng sinabi ng ating mayor, sir, in my stint of almost 3 years as the city director of Davao, wala po talaga yan yung sasabihin na you kill him, you kill. Wala pong gano'n, sir. So it's just a matter of taking things on your hand. If you will take it literally, yung sinasabi niya sa media. Kung ano yung sinasabi niya ngayon, sir, yun na yung sinasabi niya. Pero yung kamong sasabihin niya na, Danao, patayan mo sa ganito, there's no such thing, sir, na gano'n. So walang ganong nautos.
Is there a danger that your men will incorrectly interpret what the mayor was saying?
Well, nung panahon ko, sir, as city director, I don't deny, sir, that there were some